Well, hopefully we don't have to talk about snow anytime soon, but we do get into that kind of cold territory within the next 10 days. Thankfully, the fall warmth we've had since yesterday, that's going to linger through the middle of the week, so we don't have to say goodbye to the warm weather just yet. However, we start to turn colder by the time we get to this weekend, and just wait till you see what's happening as of next week. More on that in a second. First up, though, taking a look at tonight, there is a cold front approaching. It's not going to move through. It's actually going to skirt off to our north, but it is pushing in a bunch of clouds tonight, so that's why things aren't looking quite as clear as they did just earlier on today. We'll have a partly cloudy sky overnight, but if anything, those clouds are helping us stay a little warmer, only down into the middle to upper 30s tonight rather than the low 20s like last night. So a little less brisk going into tomorrow morning. Still, you have to deal with some chilly conditions early. After that, temperatures jumping quickly into the 50s, into the 60s by the time we get to about lunchtime. So just like we saw today, brisk start, but then warming up very quickly throughout those morning hours under a bright sunny sky. And just like we saw today, sunshine and 60s for yet another day in a row for tomorrow. This time around, we're just a little bit warmer, mid-60s expected with a light breeze out of the southwest. Then looking ahead towards late this week, we do start to see some changes. So winds get a little blustery on Thursday as the next cold front approaches, which will send some rain showers through our area as of Thursday night. So a little rainy weather expected heading into late Thursday night. Here we are a little after midnight, some light showers moving through. I think the front is going to move fast enough that any of this rain will be out by sunrise Friday, so you probably won't see any kind of wet weather impacts on your Friday plans. What you will see is the big cool down, though. So again, Thursday night, rain showers, dry during the day. Big temperature change down to the 47 for a high on Friday. We stay right about there going into the weekend. Now that's average weather for this time of year, but it is going to feel cold after this warm stretch. Rain showers are possible early next week. It'd be a cold rain. We'll keep an eye on that as you make your travel plans. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, that's ahead of another cool down. Yes, the 30s for highs possible going into Thanksgiving. So definitely some very chilly weather ahead for the holiday, but at least right now things look dry. In the 4-degree guarantee just off the bullseye, that means cash totals up over $50.